Ethekwini Municipality is here today because in some years ago, there was a decision that was taken in terms of climate change, where we have to use alternative things to reduce carbon on air. So the site that we are in now, it's one of the sites that is using the waste and convert it to something that is important.
The Use-It is a non-profit company. We also are an NGO and an NPO, so we wear many hats. But it's really a vehicle for us to access grant funding so that we can unlock opportunities within the green economy. We have a memorandum of agreement with the city of Ethekwini, and we are Ethekwini's waste materials recovery cluster. So through that, we have a very strong working relationship and partnership. And our mandate is to deliver on new innovations within the waste sector and to find those innovations to unlock economic opportunities and create jobs downstream. So we don't look at a job creator, we look at creating sustainable SMMEs and employers. The knock-on effect is jobs. So if we can get that right, if we can find solutions in this industry that we can help commercialize, help scale, through unlocking opportunities like a demonstration site, like access to markets, we're able to help those enterprises grow with the ultimate gain of diverting waste from landfill.
It is important for government to partner with companies like Use-It, to work together to help our SMMEs to grow. There are so many SMMEs that have been trained here, and some they've started doing their own business. Some they are still here inside doing their product within this particular area. You know, when government is alone, we can't do anything alone. We also need private sector and some other NPO and NGOs to be part of government to help us, to help our people to do something. You see, instead of seeing people going upside down looking for employment, we see people coming here for training and doing their business, which is a good thing. And they are using something that you have been looking down on it, which is the waste.
The Hammersdale Waste Beneficiation Site is now also a demonstration site for alternative building materials. So we have a key brick, which is a green interlocking block using crushed glass and building rubble. 70% of that block is recycled. The balance is normal cement and virgin materials, and that we've been able to construct a 40 square meter RDP house. We also have stone pony polystyrene, which is a polystyrene foamcrete panel system. So it's very, very easy to erect, very lightweight. That uses waste polystyrene in that mix. And then we formed a relationship with Eco Quick Build, which is really a very good example of your triple P, your private-public partnerships. So now we have a private entity, being Eco Quick Build, who's been able to access support from government through our vehicle. So it really does help opportunities grow a lot faster than trying to integrate into the market without that support. So Eco Quick Build has a polypropylene block, much like a Lego block. We all worked with Legos when we were young and built the most amazing structures. So the concept is pretty much the same. The benefit is that it's using a waste material, polypropylene, which is easily accessible in this industry to be able to make those block components to build a house.
This brick mold, you just put it on top of the other one. If you want to move this house also, you'll just take it out and put it somewhere after removing the roof. I've seen something that is very easy for us and cost effective to build a house in an amount of plus or minus 65,000. Usually houses are 100 and something going up when it's come to the price, but this one can be the better low-cost houses for our people. I was told that this house was built just 10 days, but when you do an RDP house, it takes almost a month on other one. Some other one even 3 months, some other one even 2 months. So now if you have got a mechanism that can make yourself do a house in 10 days, so it means that within a month you can have got a lot of quantity of houses that you are building.
So the benefit of this site is that we have a lot of exposure. So we also deal with the municipality, our local government, but we also are exposed to national. So we have, for example, Treasury Infrastructure Division coming to visit us shortly. And that allows Eco Quick Build to be exposed to those departments within our government structures. And hopefully that will influence human settlements. It will start opening up the avenues for discussion to change the current conventional building materials to a green, more affordable and better product through a product like Eco Quick Build or Key Bricks or Stone Pony. Our message is that This is what we need to do going forward, is forming strong partnerships, because we've tried to go it alone and it's frustrating. We can never enter the doors, they stay closed. You have all the ambition in the world to do it, but you don't know the avenues and the channels to do it. When you start breaking down those silos and people start talking to each other, strong partnerships end up in strong results. And this is really one of those examples of a good partnership.